Hey everyone, TraderX here again, coming to you with another weekly chart and analysis markup video. Last week was very interesting, and I hope to be having the next interesting week again this week coming up. And last week again, I did a three-part series of a simulator that I'm using to backtest my strategies and try to get better at entering the market really. And if you guys want to check that out, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. Alright, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please go and do that also. Alright, okay, so starting off with AUD USD, as always, my MT4 crashed last week, and I have to, well, in the week, and I had to do this over again like yesterday. That's why you're seeing the different colors here, not apart from the black and white and from the black and yellow colors that I am accustomed to. But I decided once my MT4 have done that to me, so I just decided to come here now and to just change the colors a little bit. Alright, so let me start off again. ADU USD. Basically, we're still looking at the same pattern here for the past couple of weeks here, and the past 2 weeks also, 3 weeks also, we have been looking at this inverted head and shoulder here. Alright, and last week we did call a low on, okay, we predicted this to go take a fall down to these areas down here, and that is exactly what happened, right? But what can we make of this now? From this previous low over here, right? No one have broke it, only spiked through. No one have closed below it. So we're still looking for some up move inside the market. Let me jump to the 4 hour for a while. This is what we're having here. So maybe we're gonna have this, then go ahead up to up that side. All right, but I like to see when these candles cross my 21 moving average, and to be looking for entry really, along with different patterns, right? So when this come down, maybe in next week, I'll be dragging my trend line really to see if I'm having a break. If I do have a break from it, I'll be looking for buy trade. Basically, just that. Alright, if it closed below this, let me zoom out a little bit. Alright, if we have a candle close below this one here, I'll be looking for a sell trade, but not until I have a structure been broken. Alright, let me go on to the other pair. So that's basically it here, really. So we're looking for an up move because I believe this is just a retest to continue up. If we do have a break of structure, we'll be looking for a sell trade, but I won't go that aggressive on this sell trade because of this long rejection here. Alright, maybe it's just coming to fill up back the rejection, maybe, I don't know. So we're just gonna wait on price action, what it tells us, and we go along with it. Alright, Euro USD. Last week let me jump to the 4 hour, right? I believe we were somewhere about this point here when I said this is the 61.8 level of this move, right? And I was saying maybe it will go up back to take a bullish move, and I did also said if it breaks that low here, we're looking for a sell, but not aggressive. But these actually went very aggressive down the road, as you can see. Yeah, all right, I did caught some around this point here going down, but I closed off early. All right, let me go back to the day one. or 1 day, whatever you want to call it. Actually, I'm seeing two harmonic patterns here. I have a butterfly pattern in the blue here, right, just completed here. It have more space to go down to around this area down here. Alright, so give it time. I believe this will make another push down, so we can go up again. And I did also find a cipher pattern, a bearish cipher pattern, currently at this C point here, to be take to an up move. Alright, so basically we have a D completion and a C point, but this C point here for the cipher pattern can also go down to this level. So all that have to be taken into consideration when trading these patterns, right? Gotta know where we are in the market to validate these patterns, or we're gonna cancel them out. Alright, and at this purple line here that you're seeing here is on the weekly support area or resistance area, because it was once resistance and it became support, right? So I'm looking at this level here, so maybe this might be a recall for this down move is over, or maybe it just got more to go down. Alright, so where am I looking at it to go? Basically I'm looking for a up move from these two patterns here coming together. The two of them can cancel out by price action, but I'm just looking for what I'm seeing here right now. Alright, so Pound USD, I believe last week I was telling you guys that it broke my trend line that I drew here. The reason why I did not include this here, because when this came here, I believe I was at this point, right? So this came after. So this was the entry point. I can't really remember where, because my chart my MT4 got messed up in the week, and yeah, but basically it broke our trend line and it went down. Alright, and basically what are we looking at now is for a up move or continuation down move. Alright, these are my areas. If I see these have been broken, I'll be looking for a sell trade, a small scalp here, like 90 pips, and the other take profit area will be around this side here. But I don't believe it would be going down that side like very strong, according to what the week brings. We decide that. Alright, if I get a break above this area here where I marked here, right, and the falling trend line get broken, I'm looking for a buy trade. But these rejection candles are telling something here, but we just gotta wait it out and see what's gonna form on Monday to Tuesday. Alright, let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF have been killing people accounts, I believe. Yeah, so last week I said that I'll be looking for, I believe we were at this point here last week, and I had my lines drawn like that, I believe, and going down more to that other take profit area. But what I did said also, if I don't see a break of my 21 moving average, I won't be looking for a sell trade, and that clearly did not happen. So I wasn't inside that trade. Alright, and these candles here are I haven't seen rejection like this for a long time in this pair, right? Because it just been keep rising up and up, and people are crying out sell, and it's just been taking out stops and taking it higher. Alright, so I haven't seen much rejection candles from this pair in a long while, and basically you can see again I'm looking for a sell trade. But last week again someone was asking me what about this trade, right? And I told them if I see a break above this area here, I'll be looking for a buy trade. I did not get to take the trade. I got left out, so I didn't mess anything too. Alright, so this week we're looking for a sell trade again. If it does give us that pattern again, I am seeing a break of my 21 moving average here. So when the trading week start, I'll be see what other patterns form. So I'll be looking for that sell. Alright, a short scalp here, these area here, these highs and lows area here that we're looking for first, and see where it takes us. Alright, so I don't know what to say about USD JPY. I guess it's looking very very bullish at this moment, but yeah, enough with the funny talk. Alright, so I was never a good artist, really, so don't laugh at my drawing. Okay, so what are we looking at here? We are seeing a rejection of we are seeing rejection on both sides. So basically, if this looks like it's gonna well, it broke those highs area down here, coming down that side, right? These highs got broken out and closed below, right? But it looks like a double bottom is forming here, so I don't know what to make of it as yet until market opens. What's the bigger scope? Right, so yeah, I'm seeing a double bottom form here. Trend line have been broken again, rejection. I believe this is just a retest, so we'll be taken for a bearish move. Alright, but it's not strong as yet. It's not a strong signal, I can say, to me, to what I like to see. Again, the market doesn't give us perfect patterns all the time, but I'm looking for something for the down move in the next week. If it get above this area here, I'll be looking for a short buy. Alright, and again, last up is USD CAD. I believe that I do have a screenshot about my when I took this trade and it hit my take profit one and reverse. I was trailing my stops. If you remember last week, we were up here and I was saying this area here, this center area here, and this area down here, because it was just in this range, not doing anything. So let me do this. Okay. Yeah, it was just inside this area here, and it broke out, right? So I was just saying, maybe we're gonna have this move here coming down to that side, to the center point here, and actually we did hit our take profit, or two. Well, I was trailing my stop loss, so we didn't get much, but we got something. All right, and I believe I do have a screenshot about that, so I'll be showing you guys that in the video about now, if I do have it. Alright, so again, for this upcoming week, what are we looking at? If we do this move, we'll be having a 50% retracement around this area here, and what I'm seeing here is a break of my 21 moving average and my support and resistance area here, unless I have drawn it wrong. I'm seeing a break of my 21 moving average here, and plus that support area have been broken out. So maybe we're going for a retracement of this move coming down to that side, or it's just a fake out to be taking us to the upside. But in the 1 hour and 15 minutes, let me just put here, I've drawn a trend line here when these wicks were formulating, and the last one I draw was here, right, when it rejected off of that, and this is what I had, a big 15-minute bearish candle coming to close just below it. So what are we looking at here now? I believe this is just a small head and shoulder pattern forming here to be taking us to the downside, but not as strong, because I'm just looking for retracement move coming down to that side. I did a video earlier today, so it's kind of running me out of bed because I have to redo these videos a lot because of the song, and I believe you guys will be hearing some night cricket songs in the background because the windows are open and it's like 12 a.m. in the morning right now. Yeah. Okay, so I believe that's it for this video this week, and I hope I'm not going too long. And again, if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet, please go and do that now, and please do the simulation. I believe that can help you a lot, guys. That will be like a breaking point for you guys to practice your entries and not looking back at past market data like this and say you could have entered here, you could have entered where. And this simulator have been helping me a lot, and I can say, well, the last video in that series I did a strategy, a simple strategy of divergence using the RSI, and it went very well. So you guys can take a look at it and see what's going on there. Yeah, and if you guys are seeing anything different that I may have left out, please do shoot me a message. I will really appreciate it. Because as I said before, I'm just learning every day, and I just did this channel just so I can record my process and my progress about trading. Alright, so that's it for this week video, and I hope to be seeing you guys very soon.